Imagine starting a business today with literally no coding skills, no fancy degree, and no big startup capital. And within just a few months, you're pulling in thousands of dollars a month, all thanks to AI running in the background, doing the heavy lifting for you. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what people are doing with AI automation agencies. And today, I'm going to break down step by step how you can launch your own from absolute scratch. No fluff, no boring theory. I'm going to show you the blueprint people are using right now in 2025 to quit their jobs, build full-time incomes, and basically let AI become their employee of the year. But before we dive into this insane opportunity, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Hustle Hub, because this is the channel where we show you how to turn AI into a money-making machine. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. All right, so let's kick this off with step number 1, and this is the part where most people overthink. They think they need to invent some brand new AI technology or build some crazy software. Wrong. The beauty of an AI automation agency is that you're not building the tools. You're using the tools that already exist. Think of it like Uber. Uber didn't invent cars. They just created a system that connected cars with people who needed rides. Your AI automation agency is the same thing. You're not building AI. You're taking existing AI platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, 11 Labs, Zapier, Make.com, and hundreds more, and then packaging them together to solve real business problems for people willing to pay you. And spoiler alert, there are thousands of businesses begging for these solutions right now because they know AI can save them money and time, but they have no idea how to set it up. That's where you step in. Now, step number 2 is niche selection. This is where so many beginners mess up because they either try to target every business under the sun or they pick a niche that's way too broad. If you want this to work fast, you need to pick a very specific type of business that's already spending money on marketing or operations. Think real estate agents who need automated lead generation. Think e-commerce brands who need automated customer service. Think law firms who need AI to handle document reviews. Or think content creators who need AI systems to pump out content faster. Let me give you a spicy example. Imagine going to a real estate agent and telling them, hey, I can set up an AI system that automatically responds to leads 24/7, books appointments for you, and follows up with clients without you lifting a finger. Do you think they'd be interested? Absolutely. And would they pay for it? Easily $1,500 to $5,000 per month. That's one client. You don't need 100 clients. You just need a handful paying that kind of money to be making a full-time income. That's why choosing a niche where money is already flowing is critical. But here's the part where I know you're asking, okay, but what if I don't know how to actually build these systems? Step number 3 is your unfair advantage. You don't need to. You can literally learn everything you need to set up these automations using YouTube tutorials, online communities, and yes, even AI itself, teaching you how to connect the dots. Tools like Zapier and Make.com are designed for non-tech people. They're basically drag and drop workflows. You don't need to write code. You just say, when this happens, do this. Example, a new lead fills out a form on a website. AI chatbot responds instantly. AI email system follows up 3 times. Calendar automatically schedules a call. That's one workflow. And the best part, you can build it once and copy-paste the same system for different clients in the same niche. Boom, instant scalability. Okay, but before we go deeper, let me ask you something. Do you want to see exactly how people are launching their own AI automation agencies right now? If yes, drop a comment saying AI me and make sure you subscribe to AI Hustle Hub, because that's where I'll be sharing the behind-the-scenes moves you don't want to miss. Now, step number 4 is packaging your service. This is where you decide how to sell what you're offering. And here's the golden rule. Businesses don't care about fancy AI words like prompt engineering or custom GPT agents. They care about results. So instead of saying, I'll set up AI tools for you, you say, I'll help you close 30% more deals with automated lead response. Or, I'll cut your customer support costs in half by setting up a 24/7 AI assistant. See the difference? One is confusing tech jargon. The other is a result they can imagine right away. Package your offer around saving money, making money, or saving time. Those are the 3 levers every business owner cares about. Step 5 is pricing. And let me tell you, this is where beginners shoot themselves in the foot. They undercharge because they think, I'm new, so I'll only ask for $200. No, if you charge too little, business owners won't take you seriously. The sweet spot is between $1,000 and $5,000 per month, depending on the complexity of the service. And here's the crazy part. You can often get away with charging more than you think because you're literally saving them way more money. If you help a business generate $20,000 in extra sales with your automation, do you think they'll complain about paying you $2,500 a month? Nope, they'll happily pay because you've made them more money than they spend on you. Now let's talk about step 6, getting your first client. This is the part everyone stresses over, but honestly, it's way easier than you think. Forget about running paid ads or building a fancy website. You don't need that in the beginning. What you need is proof of value. The easiest way to get your first client is to offer to set up a system for free or at a discounted rate in exchange for a testimonial or case study. Reach out to 20 businesses in your chosen niche and say, "Hey, I'm building AI systems that can help you." Insert result. I'd love to set this up for you at no cost, just to show you what's possible. If you like it, we can talk about working together long-term. Boom. You just open the door, and once you get that first client and they see results, you now have social proof you can use to land the next 5 or 10 clients without begging. Step 7 is where the real fun begins, systematizing your agency. This is where you stop trading time for money and start creating plug-and-play solutions. Remember that real estate example? Once you build an AI lead gen system for one real estate agent, you can duplicate it for 10 more. Same with e-commerce. Same with law firms. You basically build once, sell multiple times. That's how agencies scale fast. And that's how some people are hitting $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 per month within a year. And if you're thinking, but what about the actual work? Won't I be overwhelmed? This is where AI actually helps you run your own agency. You can use AI to generate contracts, handle client onboarding, write emails, even manage customer support. You're literally running an AI agency with AI running your backend. It's the ultimate business hack. Before we go further, hit that like button right now if you're starting to see how insane this opportunity is. Every like tells YouTube to push this video to more people who want to build AI businesses, which means you're helping grow the AI Hustle Hub community. And trust me, we're just getting started. Now, step 8 is marketing your agency. You don't need to be a sales genius or spend thousands on ads. The trick is creating content that shows off what you can do. Post short clips on TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram showing before and after examples of businesses without AI versus businesses with AI. Example, without AI, customer emails take 48 hours to respond. With AI, customers get a response in 5 seconds. That alone makes business owners DM you asking, "How do I get that?" Content marketing works like a magnet. You show results, people come to you. And here's the cheat code. If you don't want to be on camera, guess what? You don't have to. You can run a faceless brand, just like AI Hustle Hub, and still attract clients. Just show screen recordings, AI avatars, or even text-based posts. The key is consistency. Post 3 to 5 pieces of content a week, showcasing AI solving problems, and clients will start finding you. Step 9, onboarding and client experience. Here's the thing. Once you land clients, your job isn't just to set up AI systems, it's to make the client feel like you're their secret weapon. Have a clean onboarding process. Use tools like Notion, Trello, or ClickUp to keep track of client projects. Send them a welcome video explaining exactly what's going to happen. Give them progress updates. Over-deliver at the start. If you blow their mind in the first 30 days, they'll not only keep paying you, but they'll refer you to their friends. Referrals are the ultimate growth hack. One happy client can lead to 10 more. Step 10 is scaling beyond yourself. At first, you'll be the one setting everything up, but once you have some revenue coming in, hire freelancers or even other AI enthusiasts to help build workflows. There are entire communities of automation experts who will work for you on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Discord groups. You don't need employees. You just need a network of people you can pay per project. This way you focus on sales and growth while your team handles the tech side. That's when your AI automation agency truly becomes a business instead of just a side hustle. And here's the kicker. This whole model is future-proof. AI isn't going anywhere. In fact, every month the tools are getting more powerful, which means the demand from businesses will only keep increasing. Think about it. Businesses that don't adapt will get left behind. And the people who can bridge that gap, the people like you starting agencies, will be the ones cashing in. We're at the early stage of this trend, and in a couple of years, agencies that start now are going to be the ones dominating. So here's my challenge for you. Take action today. Don't just watch this and think, cool idea. Pick a niche, reach out to 10 businesses, and start building your first workflow. Comment below which niche you're going to target. I want to see who's actually taking this seriously. And don't forget to follow and subscribe to AI Hustle Hub. Let's go on this journey together. This isn't just about making money, it's about freedom. Imagine waking up and knowing AI is handling half your business while you focus on growing, traveling, or spending time with your family. That's what an AI automation agency gives you, the ability to leverage the most powerful technology of our time to build the life you want. And if you stick around AI Hustle Hub, we're going to keep giving you the tools, the tactics, and the insider strategies to make it happen. So don't miss the next video in this series because we're about to go even deeper, and trust me, you're going to want to be here when it drops.